time for another Good Night Snack on the Daily Kennedy. I'm Jason Daily Kennedy. And you are?
Lisa Cara.
Lisa Cara. Thank you for coming tonight. And thank you for sharing this. And thank you for Thanksgiving.
This is a Thanksgiving themed healthy dessert. Pumpkin everything. Well, it's actually a crustless pumpkin pie.
Okay.
So we're just gonna throw everything in the bowl. This is super easy.
Do we need to turn the oven on?
No.
Oh, this is a no bake.
You don't. It's no bake. Starts with 1 can of organic pumpkin. Make sure you get an unsweetened pumpkin. There's a lot of like sweetened pumpkins out there. It's shady. 2 scoops of the gelatin. This is something like specially only to purchase, but it's great to have in your kitchen anyway. 2 tablespoons coconut oil. 1 big tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. A little dash of vanilla. And this is too much maple syrup. It's just supposed to be like a half a tablespoon, but we'll improvise. And that's it.
And then, like, what do you put on there? Cream cheese frosting?
You can, what I like to put on there is full fat whipped coconut cream.
Okay, so it's like whipped cream?
Yeah, but, but healthier.
Butt healthier or butt healthier?
But healthier.
She said butt. And
that's it. And the coconut oil. All the pumpkin pie flavor.
which is a tablespoon or so.
Yeah. I never measure my vanilla. Go for a lid full. This is such like a grandma thing to do.
And that's not extract, or it is?
Yeah, this is organic, alcohol-free vanilla extract.
Nice.
You want to go for the alcohol-free because then you get those weird like sugar alcohols, and those are weird.
Yeah. You might as well, if you're a drinker, you should save your alcohol for the wine. Because
Exactly.
it's Thanksgiving, you're probably with family, and you're going to need it.
And goes the good stuff.
Okay.
That's probably it. Do you want to? I guess you can.
Now I can lick it?
Okay, so that's it. Ingredients are in. Now you whisk. It looks like the inside of a pumpkin pie.
Yeah.
So I use just a loaf pan like this, and you just pour it on in.
Nice.
Then have somebody nearby to lick the bowl. There you go.
Nice job. And then, so what? We put it in the fridge for how long?
At least a half an hour. If you have a couple hours, that's best because it'll just get nice and like firm.
Cool. Okay, let's
That's
do it. So, while you're putting that in the fridge, and while we're waiting for 2 hours, do you want to play Cards Against Humanity?
Sure. Do you have the like naughty version?
There's not a clean version, is there?
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, it's
No,
not.
like I want the like extra naughty one.
Okay.
Like you have to have like permission to play it.
Wow, okay.
So it has, you'll see it's firmed up.
Gelatinous.
Yes. You just cut little square slices. And you can actually do this in a round pie pan too, if you want like actual pie slices.
All right, and then we whipped up some coconut cream.
Yeah, so this is coconut cream. It's just coconut milk, you know, whipped up with a handheld mixer.
And then some cinnamon.
And some cinnamon.
Nice. You gonna have one
Good
too?
stuff.
You know what? It tastes better than pumpkin pie. Thanks, pumpkin.
You're welcome.
All right, this has been happy Thanksgiving episode of Good Night Snack.
Yes.
Hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. Hope you guys have a lot to be thankful for. And we're thankful for you. And I'm thankful for you.
I'm thankful for you.
Bye.